So now we are going to see with the first exercise in the typewriter, which is A, S, D, F, G, F, then space semicolon L, K, J, H, J. Initially, the first important things we need to do is first set the margin for the papers after inserting, and then set the line spacing, and then you have to keep the fingers correctly. See, first finger over A, and then second finger over S, and then third finger over D, and then fourth finger over F. See over here, first finger at the right hand with semicolon, and then second finger over L, and then third over K, and then fourth over J, and then use this fourth finger over G, and then use this fourth finger over H. We will be going through this exercise. See, A, S, D, F, G, F, space semicolon L, K, J, H, J, space A, S, D, F, G, F, space semicolon L, K, J, H, J. This is what the exercise. Practice this for at least 4 days, at least an hour daily, and then you can go through the practice exercise. The practice exercise will be consisting words. Each words you have to type it for 3 lines. For example, see over here, ask. I will type now ask with ask. See, A, S, K. Don't no ever seeing the words or letters in the typewriter. Only seeing at the paper. See, A, S, K, A, S, K, A, S, K. Practice this. Ask. For example, ask for 3 lines. Ask, first line I have finished, take it as, then ASK, then ASK, then ASK, then ASK. Don't ever change the fingers. Practice this for 3 lines. ASK, ASK, ASK. For example, I have done it for 3 lines, and then practice over the jag, and then jack, lad. Then practice the practice words. Each word 3 lines. Practice it while until you finish this exercise. That's it. After finishing, you can start with the next exercise. So thank you, friends.